Okay, we have a TOS engine lathe, model SU-100, serial number 0443258. It's 41-inch swing, 240 inches between centers. It has a 6-way power carriage with taper through the power top slide. 4-jaw chuck on there, a Mitutoyo digital readout for the longitudinal carriage travel, 2 steady rests, and we're going to run her for you. It has from 2.24 to 450 RPM. Okay. He's engaged the half nut and we're threading. The arrow is going. Now he's got the feed. That's power compound, and that's again how you can do taper turning. Rapid traverse. Cross feed. Reverse the cross feed. Also rapid that too. Yep. And the longitudinal feed. You can see that on the digital readout. So that's 6-way rapid in feed and threading. You've got the tailstock that has the handle to move on the rack to make it lighter to move. That's the quill. You have 11,000 pound workpiece capacity between the centers and 13.3 with supported by a steady rest. And you have 2 steady rests, so you can even get you get more weight. The steady rests are back there, they're roller type. You have hardened and ground bedways. Sure. I'm going to run some other speeds. Jogging. Actually, just put it right into gear. That's a low speed. It's a high range. And a different speed. I'm going to take it up high. And that's one of the higher speeds. So you saw a whole variety of different speeds. You saw feeds. You saw a thread, you saw the digital readout work. Again, this is original paint, this machine. Okay, thank you for watching the video.